This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study B.Tech Computer Science easy method. Start by mapping your semester, listing core courses and side projects you want to complete. Break each subject into weekly goals and assign specific days for coding practice versus theory review. Use short, timed study blocks with active recall and spaced repetition. Keep a simple progress tracker and adjust weekly to stay consistent and motivated. Adopt practical habits that make coding second nature. Begin each session by solving a single problem, then read or write a bit of theory related to it. Build small, meaningful projects that connect lecture topics to real tasks so concepts stick. Use get-to-version projects and write brief README notes to document thought process. Review past problems weekly to turn mistakes into reliable knowledge and confidence. Focus exam prep on active techniques rather than passive reading. Convert lecture notes into concise cheat sheets and use spaced repetition to review them regularly. Simulate exam conditions with timed past papers to build speed and reduce anxiety. Teach tricky concepts to peers to solidify your understanding and reveal gaps. Balance revision with short breaks and sleep to maximize retention and mental freshness on test day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.